Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Good morning friends, I am your Dr. Sadik. Welcome to Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel. Today we discuss a very important topic for all competitive exams. The topic name is clocks. What friends? Clocks. In clocks, we mainly discuss concept and problems. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Let us start the concept. What is general shape of the clock? Once again, what is general shape of the clock? Exactly. The shape of the clock is circle. What friends? Circle. Let us see. A clock is a complete circle having 360 degrees. Okay friends, how many degrees friends? 360 degrees. Important. It has 12 equal parts. How many equal parts friends? 12 equal parts. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts friends. It is called our space. What friends? Our space. It is called our space. What are 60 equal parts? What friends? 60 equal parts. See here, where we have 60 equal parts. See, between 12 to 1, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many equal parts friends here? 5 equal parts. Similarly, if you observe between 1 to 2, how many equal parts friends? 5 equal parts, and so on. Between 11 to 12, how many equal parts friends? 5 equal parts. So total how many hours friends? 12 hours. So 12 hours into 5 equal parts, that is equal, we get here 60 divisions or 60 parts. 60 parts friends. So 60 equal parts called minute space. It is called friends minute space. Now I want to find how many degrees will make the first division. What friends? How many degrees will make the first division or part? Total how many divisions friends? How many divisions? 60 divisions friends. 60 divisions. 60 divisions. 60 divisions means complete circle. Complete circle means how many degrees friends? 360 degrees. 360 degrees. I want to find for one division friends. So one division, how many degrees? How many degrees? See here, 60, 360 means in one division how many degrees? You always write like this friends. 1 divided with 60 into whatsoever value here, you multiply it. So 360, 0 cancel, 6 in 36, 6 times. We get how many degrees friends? 6 degrees. So here one division make how many degrees friends? How many degrees? 6 degrees. 6 degrees. So first division makes 6 degrees. Total how many division? How many parts friends here? 5 parts. 6 into 5, 30 degrees. Important friends. Between 12 to 1, how many degrees friends? 30 degrees. Similarly, 1 to 2, how many degrees friends? 30 degrees, and so on. Between 11 to 12, also 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Say between 12 to 2, how many degrees friends? 12 to 2, how many degrees? 12 to 2, 30 plus 30, how many degrees friends? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Or say 12 to 4, how many degrees? 12 to 4, this is 30, 30. 4 30s are 120 degrees. In this way we can find degrees friends. In this way we can find degrees. Now if you see the clock, we mainly observe friends minute hand and hour hand. We mainly observe minute hand and hour hand. Now I want to find in 1 hour how many degrees will cover minute hand and hour hand. Once again friends, I want to find in 1 hour how many degrees will cover minute hand and hour hand, and in 1 minute and relation between minute hand and hour hand. Let us see. What friends, in 1 hour, 1 hour means 60 minutes, minute hand covers, see friends, 60 minutes means 1 hour, so it starts from 12 and reaches 12 friends. So how many degrees friends? 360 degrees. Now hour hand covers. Come on, tell me friends now. Suppose it is at 3, after 1 hour it is at 4. So how many degrees friends? 30 degrees. How many degrees friends? 30 degrees. So it is 30 degrees. Now I want to find for in 1 minute. This is very important friends. In 1 minute, the minute hand covers. Come on, tell me friends. See here. 60 minutes, 1 hour means 60 minutes. It covers 360 degrees. Now I want to find 1 minute friends. 1 minute. How many degrees friends? 6 degrees. So in 1 minute, the minute hand covers 6 degrees. That means in 1 minute, the minute hand reaches the first part friends. So in 1 minute, hour hand friends, covers. In 1 minute, hour hand covers. Come on, tell me now. See here. 60 minutes. It makes how many degrees friends? 30 degrees. In how many minutes? 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many degrees will make? The hour hand. So 1 by 60 into 30. How many times friends? 2. So 1 by 2 degrees. So what is the answer here friends? 1 by 2 degrees. This is very important friends. In 1 minute, the hour hand covers half degree. In 1 minute, hour hand covers half degree. Now I want to find relation between minute hand and hour hand friends. See here. In 1 minute, minute hand covers 6 degrees. Okay, hour hand covers half degree. So in 1 minute, minute hand, how many degrees over friends? Subtract 6 minus 1 by 2. How many degrees friends? 5.5 degrees. So this is very important friends. 5.5 degrees over the hour hand. Once again friends, in 1 minute, minute hand, I want to find difference friends. So 1 minute, minute hand, 5.5 degrees over the hour hand. Okay, once again friends, 1 hour 60 minutes. The minute hand covers its complete rotation friends. So 360 degrees. Hour hand covers friends. Say it is initially at 3. It reaches 1 hour, after 1 hour 4. So how many degrees friends? 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. Okay. Now 1 minute, the minute hand covers 6 degrees. Hour hand covers half degree. In 1 minute, minute hand 5.5 degrees over the hour hand. That means here in 1 minute, 5.5 degrees. This is very important friends, because we are solving so many problems by using these two conditions friends, or these two formulas. Let us see some example friends. See here what he says here. Find the angle between these two hands friends. Now if you observe here, say it is 3, 5. It is 3, 5. How can you find the angle, friends, here? Say this is 30 and 30, 60 degrees. Say 30 and 30, 60 degrees. No, friends. No. The hour hand tilt. That means the hour hand, when it moves, the hour hand is not exactly at 3, friends. It's some tilting. It makes some angle. It makes some angle. See here. The hour hand covers half degree. In how many minutes, friends? 1 minute. That means in 5 minutes, friends, 5 by 2. In 1 minute, half degree means in 5 minutes, how many degrees? That means we get here 5 by 2 degrees make, friends. 5 by 2. Okay, it is at 15. 15 by 2. 20 by 2. Okay, sir. Okay, friends. Now I want to find the angle, friends. Okay, for that I'm adding, friends. I'm adding this 5 by 2 degree. Then I got the angle between these two hands. For another problems, say when it makes 90 degrees. When the two hands are 90 degrees, or when it coincide, or when it 180 degrees, when it is opposite. For all such problems, we are using the formula our hand covers, this 1 minute 5.5 degrees. We are taking difference, friends. Okay, let us see some more concept to solve the problems in easy manner. Let us see some important points, friends. The two hands of the clock coincide. Very, very important, friends. Coincide once in every hour. See here, if I am taking here at 3 o'clock. Okay, friends, when the minute hand moves at any time, the two hands are coincide, friends. It moves and it goes to 12 o'clock. That means in how many times it coincides, friends? Once in hour. Once in every hour. Let us see a small problem, friends. Important in competitive exam, friends. He asked so many times. How many times do the hands of the clock coincide in a day? Solution. How many hours, friends? 12 hours. 12 hours. How many times coincide, friends? Is it 12 times coincide? What I am saying here, the two hands of the clock coincide once in every hour. So 12 hours, 12 times? No, friends. In 12 hours, 11 times only. Because if you observe at 11, friends, see here, if minute hand moves, is it coincide, friends? No. It is coincide? No. So between 11 to 12, the hands are not coincide. That is why in 12 hours, 11 times. That means here, since between 11 to 12, the hands are not coincide. So what he asked, friends? Coincide in a day. In a day means for 24 hours. So 24 hours. How many times, friends? 22 times. Okay, once again, friends, how many times do the hands of the clock coincide in a day? For 12 hours, how many times, friends? 11 times. 12 hours, 11 times. Important, friends. For 24 hours, 22 times. He may ask for 12 hours or 24 hours. Okay, you have to remember this answer. Let us see another problem, friends. Another important point also. The two hands of the clocks will be at right angle. What, friends? At right angle twice. How many times, friends? Twice in every hour. Okay friends, in every hour the two hands makes right angles in how many times friends? 2 times. 2 times. See the problem. How many times are the hands of the clock at right angles in a day? In a day. So solution in 12 hours. 12 hours. How many times make right angles friends? 12 into twice. So 12 into 2. Is it 24? No friends, not 22. It is 22 times friends. 22 times. 22 times. Because between 3 to 4. 3 to 4 they make one time right angle. Okay friends, between 3 to 4 one time right angle friends. So between 3 to 4, between 3 to 4 one time. Similarly you can guess friends when it makes one time right angle. Come on guess friends. At 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, between 9 to 10 it makes one time right angle. So between 9 to 10 one time. So for in 24 you subtract 2 times friends, we get 22. So we get here the answer is 22 times. 22 times. For he asked one day friends, he asked one day. So for 24 hours, how many times friends? 44 times. 44 times. Once again friends, how many times the hands of the clock right angle in 12 hours? 22 times. In a day 44 times. In a day 44 times. Let us see some more important problems friends. Let us see some important point friends. The hands of a clock will be opposite direction. What friends? Opposite direction. Opposite direction means how many degrees friends? Opposite direction means how many degrees? 180 degrees. Opposite direction means 180 degrees. Please remember, once, how many times friends? How many times? Once, one time in every hour. That means the two hands, minute hand and hour hand, makes 180 degrees once in every hour. Every hour. Okay friends, let us see the problem. How many times do the hands of a clock point opposite to each other in a day? In a day. We have 12 hours. So for 12 hours, how many times friends? Once in every hour. So is it 12 times? Is it 12 times? No friends, it is not 12 times. It is 11 times. 11 times. Because when it is 6 o'clock, between 6 to 7, the hands are not at 180 degrees friends, not in opposite. Okay friends, that is why 11 times. Since, what is the reason friends? Between 6 to 7 the hands are not opposite direction. So 12 hours, 11 times friends. So for 24 hours in one day, 22 times. 22 times. Once again friends, how many times do the hands of the clock opposite to each other in a day? For 12 hours, 11 times. 24 hours, 22 times. Please remember the answers friends, very very important in exam point of view. Right, let us see another point. The two hands of the clock will be in the same straight line when they are coincide or opposite to each other. Okay friends, what it says? Same straight line. Same straight line means here when they are coincide or are opposite to each other. Coincide or opposite to each other. Okay friends, sometimes it may be coincide or sometimes it may be opposite. Okay, so let us see the problem. How many times in a day are the hands of the clock in same straight line? Same straight line. Clearly, what is the answer, friends? 44 times. What, friends? 44 times. Okay, friends, this is about the concept and some problems on clocks. In the next class, I am solving the complete problems on clocks, friends. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.